Hi guys, exactly 120 days are remaining for the UPSC Prelims 2024 examination, and in this video I am going to share with you a unique block revision strategy which can help you boost your score in the UPSC Prelims examination like anything. Guys, in the next 120 days, the aspirant who will be able to read all the subjects, revise all the subjects multiple times, that aspirant will have high chance to crack the UPSC Prelims examination. Every year, a lot of students, they mismanage their time and they are not able to revise all the subjects at time, and they are not able to practice questions also because of lack of planning. So in this video, I am going to give you the exact strategy which can help you to do multiple revisions. Guys, at least 3 revisions you have to do of all the static and current affairs, including the important topics. So guys, my name is Santosh Pandey. I have myself used this unique block strategy of revision in the last 120 days, and I have succeeded in the prelims examination. Guys, you can see some of my scorecards. I have the distinction of cracking this prelims examination all 6 times with one of the highest score. I have scored more than 30 to 40 marks more than the cutoff. And in this video, I'm going to share with you a unique strategy which will really boost your performance in the UPSC prelims examination like anything. So guys, let me take you to a blackboard. Guys, so you are left with exactly 120 days. You can see here, you are left with exactly 120 days. And if you know that there are at least 7 subjects, in the UPSC prelims examination, we can divide the UPSC syllabus into 7 broad subjects. What are these subjects? Polity, history, geography, environment, science and tech, IR and schemes I have clubbed together, and economy. Other than that, you have budget. And eco survey. Okay guys, so this year, because it is an interim budget, maybe eco survey will not come, but we will have interim budget, so we have to prepare budget also. So guys, if you see this guys, then what we have to do is that we have to divide this 120 days. We have to divide this 120 days so that we are able to do multiple revisions of these 7 subjects. So guys, what I have decided is that suppose you give 7 days, you create a block of 7 days. Okay, suppose you create a block of 7 days. Okay, suppose you create a block of 7 days. Okay, so let us create a block of 7 days. Seven days for every subject. This is first round of revision. So 7 days into 7 subjects, 49 days. Okay, 49 days plus you include 7 days for budget and eco survey. So guys, what we can do is that this 7 days, we can do 2 times revision. We can do 2 times revision of these 7 subjects. So 49 into 2. Okay, 49 into 2. So it comes to 98 days. And 98 days plus 7 days for budget and economic survey, it comes to around 105 days. You will be still left with 14 days. So what we will do in the last 14 days, we will give 2 days for each subject. This will be the third round of revision. So first round of revision will be of 7 days for every subject, so 49 days. Again, then second round of revision will be 7 days for all the subjects, so again 49 days. Then we have 1 week for economic survey and budget, and the last 14 days we are going to give 2 days for every subject. Okay, so most of the students, what mistake they do is that they start reading 2-3 subjects together. Don't do that. You have to create a block, 7 days block or a weekly block, and in that weekly block you cover the entire one subject. One more thing what you need to do is that in the first revision, what you need to do in the first round, what you need to do is that you need to integrate the static with the current affairs. In the first round. So first round is very crucial, because in the first round you are going to integrate both the static part and the current part, and then in the second round you are only going to read the current affairs of that subject, and in the third round you are only going to read the Optima cards. The Optima cards. What are Optima cards? Optima cards are the most important and most predicted topics which I predict every year, and every year we see a lot of questions coming from this Optima cards. So this will be the third round of revision. This will be 7 days each, this will be 7 days each, and this will be 2 days each. So we come to around plus 7 days for economic survey, so 119 days, and 128 day will be your prelims examination, So this is called the block strategy. The next 120 days you have divided into 3 rounds of revisions, The first round of revision, 7 days each, 49 days. In the first round, what you need to do is that you need to integrate both the static and the current affairs, and the second round you have to only do the current affairs, the yearly compilation, which I will be coming out with, and in the third round, guys, you are only going to revise with Optima cards. So this will be the revision. Again, what I have done is that apart of this block strategy of the entire 120 days, I have also created a block strategy for the entire day. So in the day also, what you have to do is that you have to divide the entire day into various blocks. You have to divide the entire day into various blocks, guys. For example, you can see, if suppose you are reading 9 hours per day. Let us assume that you are reading 9 hours per day. So what you do is that 3 hours you should give to Optima notes. Optima notes are the yearly current affairs notes. So you keep a target. I will give you daily targets, that 3 hours target. Then guys, the same topics which you have read in the current affairs, you have to read from the static book. Okay guys, so 3 hours, 6 hours. Then guys, every day 20 PYQs on the topic which you have read. So suppose we are starting with polity tomorrow. Okay, once we start with polity, then what we do is that 7 days we do polity, and here also Lakshmikant. So we complete the entire 1 year current affairs and the entire static books, and we do the PYQs on the respective topics. So you can see here 20 PYQs every day. So this will be around how many PYQs? Around 150 PYQs, guys, 150 important PYQs, which I will help you to cover 150 PYQs. So this will be 30 minutes, 20 PYQs, 30 minutes. Again, 20 monthly current affairs question. So every day I will be giving you some targets of monthly current affairs, guys, monthly current affairs topics and questions. So every day 30 minutes for this, Then again, guys, daily CSAT. I would like to request everyone, please give daily 1 hour to CSAT, particularly people who are struggling in CSAT or who are getting marks around the cutoff like 70, 75. Those all people should devote at least 1 hour from the 26th of January once we start the daily challenge, guys. This is a daily challenge, so 1 hour here. And option elimination every day, 15 minutes to option elimination. Every day you have to give 15 minutes to option elimination, guys. Let me tell you, if you next 120 days every day analyze one question which you can solve using option elimination, next 120 days every day 15 minutes, 1 or 2 questions every day, guys. So in the next 120 days, I can promise you, I will make you the master of elimination techniques in the UPSC history, guys. I can make you the master of elimination techniques. Every year 20 to 30 questions in the UPSC prelims examination can be solved only using elimination techniques. But most of the guys, because of the lack of practice, they are not able to solve elimination techniques inside the exam hall, guys. So if you practice every day, 15 minutes you give, like a meditation technique, every day, 15 minutes, brainstorm a question of the PYQ. Now you will be worried how to find those questions where we can apply elimination techniques. Don't worry, guys. You have my Telegram channel. It is there in the description of this link. I will be picking every day one question and I will be teaching you elimination techniques in my Telegram channel, guys. Please do, follow that Telegram channel. 15 minutes here. And then again, you see daily current affairs and PPP. Why I'm saying daily current affairs and PPP? Last three years, guys, at least 20 questions were from the month of February, March and April. So guys, current affairs of February, March and April is very important. So you have to commit yourself that from 26th of January, every day I'm going to give at least 1 hour to the daily current affairs and the PPP, Prelims Power Play. It is a 5 topmost current affairs questions daily which can come in the UPSC prelims examination. So 1 hour here, you can see 336. then 1 hour, okay, 7 hours, then again you see 1 hour for CSAT, 8 hours, then 1 hour for the daily current affairs, 9 hours plus 15 minutes, 9 hours 15 minutes, and 15 minutes you do the review. Did you succeed that day? Did you succeed that day? Every day when we succeed in a year. Every day when we succeed, then only we succeed in a year. We can't succeed in a year suddenly. So take up this 120 days challenge, guys. Take up this 120 days challenge. If you take up this 120 days challenge, guys, I can tell you, take up this 120 days challenge and every day force yourself, push yourself to succeed every day. If you succeed every day, guys, I can promise you that you will succeed in the UPSC prelims examination. But if you daydream that you are not using your day every day optimally and suddenly you will crack the prelims examination, guys, that is not going to happen. As a champion, you have to succeed each and every day. So I have made daily tasks for you. I have divided your day into 3 hours, 30 minutes, then 1 hour and then 50 minutes slot. If you use this slot, guys, then you will be using your day optimally, guys. Please do share this video with all those students who are struggling with the planning part. Guys, please do like this video also if you like my block strategy. So what I did was, let me just recap. I divided the next 120 days into 3 slots. The first slot goes for 49 days, 7 days per subject. So 49 days again, then second slot again 7 days per subject, and in the last 2 weeks we are giving 2 days for every subject. Last 2 weeks 2 days for every subject. I'll be giving you the most important and predicted topics to revise in the last 2 weeks, guys. Then again the day also you have to divide into various blocks. If you start dividing the day into various blocks, guys, definitely you will have an edge over others because you know what to do. And guys, what beautiful part of it, that every day we are solving 30 to 40 questions, good quality questions, PYQs, current affairs. Every day we are solving PYQs and current affairs, and every day we are solving elimination technique also. It's a beautiful plan. Let us challenge ourselves. Let us push ourselves, guys. Our fight is not with others. Our fight is with ourselves. We have to achieve our potential by pushing our limits. This target, this challenge is going to push you. Okay, every one of you, guys, every one of you has the potential to top this examination. Let me tell you, every one of you has the potential to crack this examination. But the problem is that many of you are not challenging your limits. If you challenge your limits, if you push yourself, if you try hard, every day you try hard, guys, let me tell you, even you can top the examination, even you can score. You can see here, guys, even you can also score like this. You can see here, you can also score like this. Very easy, I'm telling you. The only thing which is required is that you need to push yourself, you need to achieve your true potential. And I firmly believe every student who is watching this video has the potential in him to top this examination. The only $1 million question is he willing? Is he willing to challenge himself? Is he willing to put the hard work which is required to top this examination? Thank you, guys. Bye-bye. Take care.